Slime girls, today we're going to be making slime by myself. Never happening.
So today we already put in the glue and the shaving cream. So now time to head to the tide.
Come on, guys. Ah! You're gonna see Carrie on the way. You saw him, guys? Now let's go. Sorry, I'm running too fast, guys. So she added.
I accidentally added way too much.
She added Gain, or you can use Tide.
Really
Any kind of
doesn't matter.
detergent. Really does not matter.
So as you guys can see, it's forming, but I accidentally put in too much, so that's why you can't see it.
So let's show them it. Okay, so you can't really see it because she added way too much.
Flooding up the bag, no, because this has holes in it. So I'm just gonna take it out, take out all the slime,
So guys,
and pour out the detergent.
I hope you liked our video. We're gonna be making a bunch.
See ya.
This is the littlest slime that we made so far. Very little, tiny. But let me show you our big batch. But first you're gonna see Carrie again. Yeah, saw him? He's our brother. Annoying. He pantsed me. He literally pantsed me.
Now I'm adding it to the big batch.
So we have a slime collection and shotgun collection. And here
It is. Those are shotguns, and here is where we're going to
and we're gonna pour it right here, guys. So bye.
Love
and,
you.
And next time I'm gonna be making slime by myself.